pinadalhan tayo ni Bear King ng isang bait casting reel. And itong bait casting reel na to, hindi to ordinaryong bait casting reel dahil ito lang yung bait casting reel dito sa TikTok Shop na napaka-affordable pero digitally controlled na yung kanyang braking system. So yes, this is the RT Blue Violet Bird na DC na bait casting reel. Nung natanggap ko itong reel na to, agad ko tong sinubukan dahil gusto ko malaman kung effective ba talaga yung kanyang digital control braking system. And oo, kahit gaano kong katodo i-cast, hindi siya nag-backlash. So, aside from the digitally controlled na braking system, in terms of performance, itong reel na to napaka-smooth rin ng kanyang gearing. It's got 5 kilograms of drag. Yung kanyang gear ratio is 7.0 to 1. Yung kanyang bearings is 5+1. And in terms of weight, for a very compact body na reel, it's on the light side dahil 165 grams lang ang bigat ng reel na to. In terms of aesthetics, tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda ng kanyang itsura. You've got that very beautiful na glossy gray na color scheme with metallic purple na accents. And aside from that, kung narinig nyo, yes, may clicker rin itong reel na to. So if you want to check this reel out, ilalagay ko to sa yellow basket and makikita nyo rin to sa aking showcase.